Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, and then on the search bar under the Google logo you can simply type in dibpak.com, and now that will lead you directly to the Dubai Islamic Bank homepage. Now here you can see an option that says login or register. Now all you gotta do is log in into your account or simply create an account, and once you do that, in order to activate your credit card, what you need to do is you need to download mobile app from Google Play or App Store of the Dubai Islamic Bank, and once you do that is log into DIB internet banking, and once you do that, after successful validation of login credentials, you can go to the card activation option. And now once you do that, one-time PIN OTP validation will take place for security check, and then card activation and PIN change will be done through the option available on the user interface. Now through DIB phone banking, customer can call DIB phone banking on the given number, and then customer is then verified by phone banking officer through security questions. Card activation and PIN change is confirmed after successful verifications. Debit card international usage and economic activations can also be done, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.